Hello everyone, this is Vinay. You're watching EduSmart. Today I'm back with another video on free courses and certification. Without making any noise, let's get started. So I will ask the questions and answer them myself in order to let you know more about this course. So the first question is, who is providing this course? This course is being provided by Accenture. This is brought to you by FutureLearn. So the course is designed by Accenture on FutureLearn platform. So how many courses? So they are providing absolutely 8 courses. Are these courses for free? Yes, these courses are free. How long are these courses free? So it's generally the course duration plus 2 weeks. You can access the course for the duration of the course as well as 2 weeks. Let us say you have signed up for a course which is 2 weeks long. Now you will get extra 2 weeks to complete the course. It means 4 weeks are given you for you in order to access the course. Am I going to get a certificate? Yes, at the end of the course, if you can get 70% of marks in all the tests, you will get a certificate of achievement from this platform. So, what are the learning methodologies involved? They have used videos, modules, and lectures, some quizzes, etc. for this course. Is it really important? Yes, this course is really important because it is being provided by Accenture. I think you already know what Accenture is. It is like a mass recruiter, one such mass recruiter like TCS, right? So these are providing these courses for free for students and absolutely with free certifications. So why do you even lose this opportunity? I don't want to. So let's get started with how to apply process and all. I'll provide the link to my website in the description box below. You can see this, right? Here you can see Accenture. Click on this Accenture. I will be redirecting you to a set of courses. Now you can see these courses available. This Accenture is providing absolutely 8 courses for free. I have provided the details of 8 courses in my website. What you need to do is just come onto this website, click Accenture, then come onto the second page. So in order to let down to go one by one. And you can see here, I'm taking on to the course one. I didn't tell you what are the courses available, right? Yeah, they have made a lot of courses. Let us say artificial intelligence, digital marketing, grow your career, etc. You really need to check these guys. And let me show you a demo of one course, how you can access the course, how you can apply for the course, etc. And let me take you on to this. I already have an account with this. However, I'm going to show you how you need to sign up for a new account. See here, come to this course. This course is artificial intelligence. In order to apply, you need to click on this here button. Once you click on this, it will be redirected to the page. Here there are many details of this course. You can check the details of this course. See, there are week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. How long is this course? Like, what is the start date and end date of this course? I didn't tell you, right? Like on this platform, you're not going to have something like a particular start date and end date. However, there are multiple dates that you can have to join this course. By the way, most of the courses I provide are limited time offers. It means by the time I upload a video, you will end up that offer within 2 days, right? But for this video, I'm not going to provide such limited offers. You can see a bunch of join dates available. You can join anytime. So in order to get all the courses that I provide, please do ensure that you are hitting the bell icon after subscribing. Because if you don't hit the bell icon, you will never end up getting a course within the time limit and can get successfully the course completed and get a certificate. So, but for this course, as it is a lifetime, you can see a bunch of dates available. You can still join and get the certificate and complete the course. So now you need to click, this is available, right? Now click on join today. You can see the most of the dates are available here, even 12th October, etc. etc. As you are new to this platform, you need to register for this. In order to register, provide your first name. Let me say my first name is something like this, and also provide your last name. And This is my last name and my age. You need to click up 18 or over, and you need to provide your email address. I'm providing something random. I already have an account here. However, let us create another account then. Now, once you click on these details, you need to click on register button down here. So you will also get a free ebook when you register for this platform. It's really great, right? You can see if you are interested to get email preferences, etc. You can click on these newsletters. If not, you just leave them as it is and make a strong password that must be 8 characters long. Thereafter, click on register. It will be directly creating you an account. So that's how my account has been created, and I have got into this course, artificial intelligence. Once I complete this course, at the end I'm going to get a certificate only if I complete 70% of the test. Please do remember that, right? Like, just you click on save and go to course in order to get onto this course. Now see, you have changed your contact preferences, etc. So now this is the course available for you. You can check more details. Accenture's artificial intelligence, what will I learn, etc. Here some basic rules are, yes. In order you not to get the certificate, you need to complete 70% in any test. So, good. And more importantly, you need to click this mark as complete button only to make that module as completed. In order to make that module completed, you need to click this mark as complete button for each and every module if it is available. Do not forget to click that because you are not going to complete the course without this mark as complete button. So that's all about this video. If you are interested in more such free course and certifications, and also let me know in the comment section below. Also hit the like button, because if you hit the like button, I can know that I am making a right video for the right audience, right? So like button will be helpful in order to let me know that I am doing correct. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll be back with another video very soon.